Hello, my guys. Here I'm busy with the wiring for Toyota Quantum uh, 2KD engine. Uh, that wiring it was bad. But now we are busy fixing here. You see all these plugs. This plug. Also, I fixed it. I put a new plug here. See this connector for the computer box, and then this one's for the injector. This is plug for injector. Look, look here. I put this leaving to never touch here. You see here. I still went to fix this. Yeah, is this my job every day? I'm doing this every day in all my life. You see, so I will come in another video when I done this wiring here. This is very fucked up, but I'll fix it coming right very soon. So yeah, I use this to weld. You see, and then I use that sleeve. I use that sleeve to connect that wires. Also, job coming alright. You see, this is plug for the crank sensor. So I'm supposed to connect it on that wiring here. You see, I'll make it now. So thank you very much. Thank you.